In the vast expanse of industrial history, the emergence of good manufacturing practice, or GMP, marked a transformative era in manufacturing. Rooted in the quest for quality and safety, GMP's genesis was a response to early manufacturing challenges, where the lack of standardized practices led to unpredictable product quality. The evolution of GMP narrates a story of continuous improvement, adapting to the evolving demands of industry and society to safeguard consumer safety. This educational journey invites exploration into how GMP transformed from foundational guidelines into a robust framework, encapsulating the essence of manufacturing excellence. Diving deeper into the essence of good manufacturing practice, we encounter its guiding principles. Standing as a beacon of quality assurance, GMP encompasses meticulous control from raw material sourcing to production processes, ensuring the highest standards of safety. Governed by rigorous testing, detailed record-keeping, clearly defined processes, and trained personnel, these principles are the bedrock of GMP, aimed at ensuring product safety and consumer satisfaction. As we advance, we will see how these ideals are practically applied, shaping each manufacturing step. At the heart of good manufacturing practice are critical quality control measures and safety protocols. More than mere buzzwords, they are foundational for trust in the manufacturing industry. Through real-life applications, we see how GMP's principles ensure products are effective and safe. Quality control, an extensive endeavor of testing and evaluation, and safety protocols, which secure both end users and employees, illustrate GMP's transformative impact. This segment will explore practical examples of GMP at work, highlighting a commitment to continuous quality and safety. The journey toward manufacturing excellence involves navigating the intricate world of regulatory compliance, a dynamic where regulatory bodies play a pivotal role in guiding industries towards sustained quality and safety. Adapting to evolving good manufacturing practice (GMP) standards presents dynamic challenges requiring a proactive stance towards enhancing compliance procedures. This transformation is not merely about adhering to established benchmarks, but embodying a vision for future excellence. As we examine the interplay between innovation and compliance, we unveil how foresight in GMP practices paves the path for a future rooted in continuous improvement. Concluding our journey, we underscore a profound realization. The path of good manufacturing practice is a relentless pursuit of excellence, where innovation leads. GMP exemplifies the commitment to refining quality, safety, and regulatory compliance, steering the manufacturing industry towards a promising future. With milestones of progress shaped by technological advancements and stringent standards, GMP's trajectory inspires a legacy of unparalleled excellence. Let the spirit of continuous improvement in GMP inspire a collective vision, transforming the future of manufacturing for generations.